Please go to Oh my god. Is it a book one? I'm sorry, number one. I think you like it better afterwards though. I don't know. Can we actually...
I don't want to pull it too hard. I don't know what's attached to it.
No, I understand that.
In the dark, we stand apart. We never see that the things we need are
Yeah, I mean it's bleeding already.
You just wanna hide. Never show your smile. Stand alone when you need someone. It's the hardest thing of all to see.
Is it a life? It's not a hook, right? I mean, she can't get a hook in there. Yeah, but then we lose maybe the leverage to actually grab it right now. What is it? Oh, poor baby. I'm sorry. Careful, Mecto. Oh, Mecto, don't. No.
¿Sí o no?
No sé. No. One of the swabs, the sterile swabs, could you put them into the iodine and then we're just gonna try to clean it? So this is the reason why we do not need plastic straws.
How could that have caused the water so fast? This is audio.
She's bleeding from her shoulders. It looks in the video, it looks like it's all coming out. Oh man. I'm so sorry, baby.
Maybe for a while, maybe the pain will disappear.
Disappear.
For a moment.
Yeah, the thing is, I mean, I would just wonder how she can breathe properly with that inside them. He said, yeah, I don't know.
Move it to the sides.
He said, yeah, like to kind of move it to the side instead of the front. Yeah.
Yeah, like that.
Oh man, I'm too. Could Veronica, could you do me another favor and try to in the yellow box is the bags with all the batteries? Oh man. And there's one for the Olympus camera, the bigger ones, one of those bigger ones that's in there. Just keep it already in your hand because my battery is going to die soon, I think.
Se escucha trancada también.
Ah, but you have it already oh man. You have a little bit further out already.
Hay que hacerlo sin lástima eso.
No, ese es un poco ahora. Oh man. Show me please, I want to.